Hi there, this is Samantha Bangs from the St. James Hotel, wanting to share a few quick insights on how to execute a happy and productive offsite event. First, make sure that you are finding an event space that fits the vibe and the feeling that you want your meeting to have. A venue that works well for, say, a board meeting or a training day may be the wrong fit for an event that's more hands-on, like a brainstorming workshop or a day of team building activities, and vice versa. Make sure that the space fits the activities that you want to be doing. Of course, you want to stay within your budget range, but don't choose the wrong space just to save a few dollars. The cheapest option will rarely deliver the productivity and the inspiration that you are aiming for by going off-site. You took your team off-site for a reason. Remember that. Don't waste time and money by choosing the wrong space. Another insight that I like to share with anyone planning an event is to never overlook the importance of taking breaks. Of course, when we're off-site, we want to work hard and learn, but we also want to have a little bit of fun. And I feel that by building break time into your agenda, you can allow your team to relax a little bit more and have fun and still work hard. Bathroom breaks are obvious, of course, but I challenge you at your next event, consider adding what I like to call a wellness break. I think a wellness break can help combat restlessness and loss of focus among your attendees. And again, don't cut corners by trying to save money and cramming 2 days worth of meeting material into one. That cheapest route is not going to deliver the takeaways that you want your team to get by going off-site. You've already taken that first step. You've gotten them off-site. Don't waste your time and resources while you are off-site. Add this wellness break by simply adding 10 to 15 minutes onto the time you allot for a bathroom break. Give your attendees the chance to get a change of scenery outside of that meeting room. Maybe they can climb a flight of stairs or stretch their legs a bit. A lot of people like to head outdoors and get some fresh air. Here in Red Wing at the St. James, we've got historic downtown one way and the Mississippi River the other way. So we've got great options for clearing your head and getting some fresh air. Say that your meeting has some breakout sessions. Why not offer a walking meeting as an option? Again, by going off-site, you've already challenged your group to think harder. So you've taken that first step, but push them even more. Get them on the move where sometimes some of their best thinking can occur. So for this wellness break, whatever you'd want to do, just work with your venue contact to schedule wellness breaks that fit your company and that fit your event. And keep in mind that the goal of a wellness break is to refresh and refocus your attendees throughout that long day of an off-site meeting. I'm curious to know what your thoughts are on a wellness break. Maybe you've been at an event recently that used something or something similar to a wellness break. Did you think it was beneficial? Share your voice in the comments section and let us know what you think about a wellness break. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you scroll through the rest of our LinkedIn page for tips and tricks on successful meetings and events. Thanks.